I am Marek Dąbrowski, professor of the Higher School of Economics in Moscow and fellow at Case Center for Social and Economic Research in Warsaw. I will present you the course of Economics of Transition and Emerging Markets. We'll start from history of a centrally planned economy and its collapse. Then we will try to explain what has been transition about, what has been its major components, stages and challenges. Then we'll discuss political economy of transition and in this context controversies over optimal transition strategy. And from economic field we'll move to political one and we'll discuss interrelation between economic and political reforms. Then we'll discuss the role of external actors in transition process. Then we'll sum up this part of our course by trying to figure out where we are after more than 20 years of transition. And then we'll move to other regions. First, what were the specifics of Chinese East Asian transition in comparison with countries of former Soviet Union and Central Eastern Europe. Then we'll move to other developing economies and how they function in 1970s and 1980s, and then why and how they became affected by series of emerging market financial crises in 1980s and 1990s, and what kind of policy reforms in 1990s and 2000 follow in Asia, in Africa, and Latin America. And then we'll move to third segment of our course, which will concentrate on contemporary agenda. We'll try to discuss the increasing role of emerging market economies in global economy and in global economic policy making. And then discuss the perspectives of global trade and the role of emerging market economies in this process, impact of the recent global financial crisis, which started in 2007-2008 of emerging market economies, and summing up by discussing economic social challenges as faced by emerging market economies in early and mid-2000s.